Olive oil is basically a liquid gold for your health, and I'm about to share why you need to start using it every day. Olive oil has been a staple in many cuisines around the world, particularly in the Mediterranean diet, for centuries. And it's not just about the flavor it adds to our dishes. Olive oil has been revered for its health benefits for just as long. From ancient Greece to modern times, olive oil has been a symbol of health, wellness, and longevity. In recent years, olive oil has become increasingly popular worldwide, and it's not hard to see why. Not only does it taste amazing, but it's also packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can do wonders for our health. And yet, despite its growing popularity, many people still don't fully understand the incredible benefits of olive oil. So, in this video, we're going to dive into the amazing world of olive oil and explore its incredible health benefits. From reducing inflammation to improving heart health, we'll cover it all. Misconceptions about fats in diets are rampant, and olive oil often gets lumped into the bad fat category. But the truth is, not all fats are created equal. Olive oil is primarily composed of monounsaturated fats, which are actually good for us. In fact, studies have shown that consuming monounsaturated fats can help lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Another common misconception is that olive oil is too rich and will make us gain weight. But the truth is, olive oil is very satiating, which means it can actually help us feel fuller for longer and reduce our overall calorie intake. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major contributor to weight gain. Many people also think that olive oil is only for cooking, but the truth is, it's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways. From salad dressings to marinades, and even as a finishing oil for soups and pasta dishes, olive oil is incredibly versatile. But despite its many uses, many people still overlook olive oil's incredible health benefits. They think it's just a tasty addition to their meals, without realizing the powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds it contains. And that's why I'm so passionate about sharing the benefits of olive oil with you today. The truth is, olive oil is a powerful tool in the fight against chronic disease. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. And it's all thanks to its incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. One of the most impressive benefits of olive oil is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many diseases, from heart disease to cancer, and olive oil has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body by up to 30%. That's incredible, and it's just one of the many reasons why olive oil is considered a superfood. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress in the body, leading to aging and disease. But antioxidants like those found in olive oil can neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, keeping our cells healthy and strong. In addition to its incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil has also been shown to improve heart health. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil regularly can lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and even reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. That's incredible, and it's just one of the many reasons why olive oil is considered a heart-healthy food. But olive oil's benefits don't stop there. It's also been shown to improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and even support bone health. And it's all thanks to its incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming olive oil regularly can reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast cancer and colon cancer. The study followed over 40,000 women and found that those who consumed the most olive oil had a significantly lower risk of developing certain cancers. Another study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry found that olive oil can actually improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. The study found that the antioxidants in olive oil can help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, leading to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of dementia. But perhaps one of the most compelling testimonials to olive oil's incredible health benefits comes from a man named Dan Buettner. Buettner is a National Geographic Fellow who has spent years studying the world's longest-lived people, known as centenarians. And what he found was fascinating. He discovered that the common thread among centenarians was their diet, which was rich in olive oil. In fact, the centenarians he studied consumed an average of 1 liter of olive oil per week. That's incredible, and it just goes to show the incredible health benefits of olive oil. So, what can we take away from all of this? Simply put, olive oil is a superfood that deserves to be a staple in every kitchen. From reducing inflammation to improving heart health, olive oil has been shown to have an incredible impact on our overall health and wellness. And it's not just about the health benefits, olive oil is also delicious and incredibly versatile. In conclusion, incorporating olive oil into your daily diet is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your health. From reducing the risk of chronic disease to improving cognitive function, olive oil has been shown to have an incredible impact on our overall health and wellness. So, make the switch to olive oil today and start reaping the incredible benefits for yourself. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any experiences with olive oil or any other healthy oils, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you want to learn more about healthy oils, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 healthy oils you should be using. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.